So hi guys, this is another day. I just woke up now. It is 7:50 in the morning. मैंने brush कर लिया and I'm just right here. I took a position just right here because I expect the price to cool off to the downside. और जो उसने एक imbalance create करा है, so I expect the price to take that out. Let me just show that what I expect and what my expectations for the day are. So as you can clearly see that this was an important level, that was a 3296 level. Price broke this level down in a huge momentum yesterday, grabbed liquidity from the recently created liquidity turn point and is going all the way to the upside. And what I expect is that I expect the price to go to the downside after clearing this imbalance FVG, because this is the liquidity available just right here at this level. That is where I went to the downside. Currently I'm in 2.5 $61 in profit, and I'm risking just 1% just right here to the upside, and I'm making 4.3% just right here. So I expect the price to go to the downside at least toward this level, and can even move to the downside in order to grab new liquidity. This is what I expect for the day, and let's see what happens. अगर ऑर्डर फ्लो बुलिश होता है, अगर ऑर्डर फ्लो बुलिश मोमेंटम में ब्रेक करता है, तो I'm gonna instantly take out my position. इसने हमें ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रक्चर दे दिया, and it is moving to the downside, which is an extreme good signal. Currently I'm at $630. Let me just show you. And yes, now I'm going to take bath and let the position tail to the end. As you can clearly see, मैं यहाँ से मार्केट को देख रहा हूँ, and you can clearly see how consolidated the market is currently today. Now currently we have a bearish move to the downside, which is very good. And yes, this is what I was aiming for. अगर प्राइस नीचे जाता है तो yes, of course I'm going to tail my position up. But अगर if प्राइस ने इस लेवल से ऊपर गया, at least अगर इस लेवल से ऊपर गया, then I'll consider कि bullish momentum आए और I'm gonna take out my position instantly. उसके बाद हम अपना देखेंगे. फिलहाल तो I'm in position. As you can see, price is showing rejections of this level only. Now let's see what happens. If you got to अगर मुझसे पूछना हो कि what is trading all is about, I'll tell you only one thing that you need to focus on. That is, it is all about levels and reactions. Once you find out that how do level works, how does the reaction work, क्या reaction आते हैं, कैसे levels work करते हैं, it will be that easy for you that you cannot even imagine. You will think that this is a piece of cake. I know. इसी चीज़ को find out करने में आपके approximately 1.5-2 years या ज़्यादा भी लग सकते हैं. I do not know, but once you find out that it is all about levels and reactions, you will find this thing much easier than you would have ever thought. At first I was, मैं हर किसी की तरह start कर रहा था. I was just looking at the patterns, but now I do not use any patterns, I do not use any price action. I just use levels and reactions with my strategy that I have made. I generalize my each and every trade, and that is why I've been performing good in this situation. अभी मैं बहुत दिन से एक लूजिंग स्ट्रीक में था, तो ऑफकोर्स मुझे पोजीशन एग्जीक्यूट करने में हेजिटेशन होने लगी थी. मैं पोजीशन एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर रहा था. बट येस, येस्टरडे जो हमारी पोजीशन थी, जो मैंने +25 कैप्चर करा, आई रीगेन माई कॉन्फिडेंस. दिस इज़ द ट्रेड वेयर आई रीगेन माई कॉन्फिडेंस. नाउ आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट दैट I am who I am. And yes, let's see what happens. Currently I'm in $805 for the day, morning itself. Within the 1 hour I execute my position as 9:30 a.m. and now it is 10:30 a.m. and I am already in $775 in profit. Let me just show you. Now I'll just go and take part. You can clearly see the price has given us the breakout structure just right here, and this is just right at this liquidity point, and we are currently in approximately $500 in profit. And yep, let's see what happens now. The price is showing bullish momentum, but I believe the price will flow to the downside and will reach the ultimate liquidity point, which is just right here. And let's see what happens. You can clearly see I'm in $820 of profit. The price is showing breakout structure. The order flow is also bearish. Order flow kind of scares me because I expect the price to order flow to the downside, but it is not. It is actually going to the upside, which is not a good signal for me. But yes, what I still expect though is to price, मैं चाहता हूँ कि प्राइस नीचे आए, ऑर्डर फ्लो नीचे आए. That will signify us more. Order flow of course मुझे scare करता है, but currently I'm in $1,000 in profit, as you can clearly see in front of your eyes. So it is going, everything is going in good, and let's see what happens. As you can see how bears are taking in the control. I just need a breakout structure at the order flow just to the downside. Now let's see what happens. Now our breakout structure at the order flow is also have been given to us. Also we are currently $787 of profit. My stops is also adjusted. Currently price is showing bullish momentum, which I do not expect. but yeah, this is the game. Sometimes it does what you expect, sometimes it does not. So I'm gonna just hold my trade, and yes, let's see what happens. Currently the order flow is showing us good signals, and the price is showing bullish momentum, which is not good, but I expect the price will definitely go to the downside. My stops are now reduced to minus $609 from $1,000, which is minimum 0.6% of my account, and currently in 1.2% profit, as you can see. Now let's see what happens. Yes, I just took the bath and price is exactly reacting as we expected it to, and the price is going extremely good. It is just behaving exactly what we expected it to, and falling all the way to the downside. Currently I'm in 1.46% in profit. Let me just show you. So yes, as you can clearly see, यहाँ पे मैंने इन्वेस्ट करा था, प्राइस did already retest just right here to make a liquidity grab just right here, but exactly as we expected, price is going to downside. Currently I'm in 1.45% in profit, which is extremely good. I'm gonna be keep drilling my position to the downside, in which my first TP is just right there at 5%, and yes, my last TP is at all the way to 13% just right here. The price is respecting our decision, made a liquidity grab, जिसने confirm करा कि price नीचे जाएगा. And now let's see what happens in terms of my funded account. I'm currently in $246 in profit, because I took a lot position just right here. I just took one lot position just right here, a short position, which is playing out extremely good as we expected. So yeah, this is it, and I'll update you guys on the position. See how beautiful is the bearish momentum just right here. I'm in 2.13% in profit just right there. I'm up $400 approximately on the funded account, and it is going extremely good. I'll update you guys on the position, and let's see what happens. I'm extremely happy that I executed this position in front of you guys. मैं चाहूँ तो अभी I could just exit this position just right now and make 2% for the day, but I expect the price to fall down more to downside, because I believe कि price के पास bearish momentum है, so it is good to the, so it will definitely go to the downside, and that is what I expect. And yeah, this is the power of investing on important levels, and yeah, this is what I expect. And yes, now let's see what happens. I know इस पे मेरी strategy align नहीं कर रही थी, but I knew the price action was going to the downside, and it did as quite we expected it to. I'm currently in 2.5% profit, and let's see what happens on the price. I'll update you guys on the position. So now I'll just have my breakfast. Now it is 9, sorry 9, I'm saying sorry, it is 11. I'll now have my breakfast. I have मेरे पास आज sandwiches हैं, तो I'll just eat sandwiches, then I'll drink my protein. और उसके बाद we'll just look on the position, let it trail to the end, and then I'll journalize. We'll look for other opportunities, and there's a lot of work to do. So yes, आज शायद लेट सोऊं काफ़ी, अभी तो सिर्फ 10 ही बजे हैं सुबह के, बट आई नो कि बहुत टाइम खिंच जाएगा. So yes, now let's see what happens, and let me just eat my breakfast. So just like that, my stops are now in profit, so I cannot lose now. I made 3.5% on one position just right now, on which I made approximately of $80 in front of you guys. On my, I'm currently overall in 3.5% profit on my whole position, but मैंने expect कर रखा है कि price और नीचे गिरेगा, so I'm willing to take positions more and more. My next take profit is at plus 5% mark, जो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया, so I expect the price will definitely reach there. In terms of my funded account, I am currently in $580 in profit, which is extremely phenomenal. I'm just going to hit my take profit mark just right now at $600 for the day, which will help us a lot, to be honest. And yep, I'm very happy. And just like that, now let's see what happens for the day. I am eating my breakfast till now, and everything is going on good. Before 12, currently it is 11:30. Before 12 we made a decent amount of profit, good trade for the day. I could just end the day just right here, but no, I'm willing to take another positions also. The price हमें दिखा रहा है signals, rejection signals, so मैंने ये profit में कर दिया trade. If everything goes in good, I'm not going to lose any money from this. And I'm currently in 3.3% profit. Now let's see what happens. I'm ready to get any position. Very happy. As you can clearly see, the price has now reached one of the liquidity levels from which the price bounced out last time. So I'm gonna take one of my position just right out here at 3%, 3.5% in front of you guys. I expect the price to fall even more to the downside, and that is what I expect. My next take profit mark is at 5%, just right at these levels, and my other take profit marks at 11 and 13% respectively. As you can clearly see, the price is already showing off rejections from this level. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust my stops, just right just like it. मैंने अपना लंच कंप्लीट कर लिया है एंड आई हैव डन अ लिटिल जनरलाइजिंग ऑल्सो. द price the trade has closed. Yes, we did hit it our 5% profit mark trade, which जिसकी वजह से मैं काफ़ी हैप्पी हूँ बिकॉज एकदम सटीक प्राइस ने एक्जैक्टली वैसे ही करा जैसे मैंने एक्सपेक्ट करा था. इट क्लियर्ड द एफवीजी एंड वेंट ऑल द वे टू डाउन साइड. But one thing also that price hit our SL for the last two positions because of the fact that price went to the upside and it is at the 3926 level. So yes, approximate. So we hit 5% on two positions, 5.5% on two positions, 3.5% on one position, and we made a loss, a total of only $7 on two positions, that is $3.5 each position. So yes, I'm very happy about it. We made approximately what you can say $350 for the day, a decent amount in terms of Indian currency. I'm very happy for that. And we made $700 on another account which I have showed to you. So approximately we made approximately of $1,500 for the day, for which I'm very happy about. And now what I'll do is we're gonna start the generalizing, and let me just show you what my ideology was. Guys, this is the 1 minute time frame, as you can clearly see. Sorry, 5 minute time frame, as you can clearly see. So the price, so I invested just right here, and price, my stop loss was just above this level at -2%, and as you can at -1.5%, as you can clearly see. This is where I took out my positions at 5% profit mode. As you can see, I made $100 on one position. It is a $2,000 position, so I made 5% on one position, for which I'm very happy about, you can say. And yes, of course, my second take profit mark was all the way below toward this level, that is the 3274 level, just right here, but price didn't reach that. So yes, that was all over my positions. The last of my positions were closed just right here. So yes, I'm very happy about that. Just now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna generalize for the day, और मैं कल के बारे में बताऊंगा, कुछ tips दूंगा, and then we'll go to the gym as usual, you know. So let's start. This is the position that I just took just right here at this level. I expect the price to move to the upside because order flow is also bullish. Currently, as you can clearly see, we are up in 18k, and in morning we were minus 28k, so it is very good going. Also the EMA is showing good signals, so I expect the price to move to the upside in a good momentum. And yep, currently if I'll just look at the trade, currently we are in 0.38% loss. Yes, my stop loss is just beneath this level. As you can just see, I just popped it into the profit, and my stop loss is just beneath this candle, and my take profit is all the way toward these highs, and these highs particularly at respectively 5%, 7%, and 9%. Yes, let's see what happens now. I've been profit in front of you guys in 0.810%. Now let's see what happens. It is exactly behaving what I expected to it. Now after taking this trade, I will let this position trade trade, and now we'll just go to the gym, and we have to hit chest and abs today. So yes, the pump is gonna be hilarious. I'm happy for today. Well, सच बताऊँ तो मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मुझे ये पोजीशन नहीं लेनी चाहिए थी, क्योंकि मेरी एक पोजीशन ऑलरेडी ठीक हो चुकी. My position is already ठीक. I made capitalized. I have made good profit on that, but still this looked good, so I taken the position. And as you people know, I'm currently in profit. I'm at 0.5% profit currently, and I believe this is gonna work out also. So yes, just like that, my position is over. My generalizing is over. Everything is complete now. थोड़ा सा और लिखना है that I'm gonna write in the night with you. So yes, now without wasting any time, I'll just go to the gym. Today is Wednesday, so I'm gonna hit chest and abs. The pump is gonna be hilarious, and yes, I'm very happy. I'm not looking to get into any other positions because of the fact that I have my one take profit position today. I do not want to risk my profits now. I'm good enough. I'm done for the day. $1,500, extremely beautiful. And yeah, that is what pretty much of what I have expected recently. And yes, now let's see what happens. Yes, let's go to the gym. When I just came back from the gym, I took a bath and literally boom, I'll just gonna show you. मैंने जैसा एक्सपेक्ट करा था प्राइस ने वैसा ही करा. प्राइस literally skyrocketed to the upside and hit our TP mark for 7 and 9% take profit respectively in front of you guys. मैंने ये ट्रेड आपके सामने ली थी and in front of you only it went all the way to the upside and we hit our 9% profit mark. That is all about liquidity. Liquidity is all the play. Once you know how this works, then it becomes very 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 easy for you. एंड मगर वो सीखने के लिए आपको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. दैट इज़ वाई आई जनरलाइज डेली एंड एवरीथिंग. इफ़ यू जनरलाइज यू विल इंक्रीज द लर्निंग प्रोबेबिलिटी बाय 99%. ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल just twice, you know, you'll even make the learning capacity to twice the time that you are currently having it. So yes, I am very very happy. Let me just show you. You clearly see how beautiful the price went. I am just right here and captured the take profit all the way toward at this candle just right here. This is what a beautiful trade looks like. So yes guys, now I'll generalize and end the day. This is what a good trading day looks like. मेरा सब कुछ ठीक है and I'm not happy to be honest. I just knew that this was gonna happen because I put hours and hours daily on this thing. जो मैं इससे कहना चाहता हूँ बस वो ये है कि do not ever give up. मेरी भी लाइफ इस समय कोई ठीक नहीं चल रही है. I cannot see the end of the tunnel and you know how that where I'm going, but I know that everything is going to be good. I trust God, I trust myself, I trust my hard work. Do not ever skip a single day. If you skip a day, you'll lag behind the people because there are people who are trying harder than you. And if you want to succeed in this thing, at least just show up daily. Consistency is the key to success. You'll develop patience. कोई plan नहीं होता किसी के पास. You'll develop each and everything on the way. Just start and be consistent. That is all I want to say. And आई नो मेरी भी कंडीशन इसमें ठीक नहीं है, ना ही आपकी होगी अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं इसमें तो. बट आई नो आई एम विद यू, आई एम रूटिंग फॉर यू. डू एवरीथिंग दैट यू हैव, डू एवरीथिंग दैट यू कैन. Put each and every ounce of work into your craft and make it sharper and everything's gonna be worth it. I still think I daily when I wake up and when I sleep, my first thought is that I'm going to become very rich, I'm going to become very wealthy through trading. I'm gonna have a Lambo, I'm gonna live in Bali, I'm gonna have multiple houses, I'm gonna have multiple cars. I'll have my dream car Lamborghini, I'll have my dream physique. I'm working hard towards each and everything. How hard the situation is, I do not care. I'm going to reach that thing और आप सबको वो दिखेगा. This is it and this is what I'm made for. My life has not been easy and it is not easy till now, but I know I'll make this through and just stay hard, stay on your work and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.